Russian special forces freed 2 prison guards and shot dead 6 inmates linked to the Islamic State militant group who had taken them hostage at a detention center in the southern city of Rostov on Sunday, Russian media said. State media said that some of the men had been convicted of terrorism offenses and were accused of affiliation with the Islamic State militant group, which claimed responsibility for a deadly attack on a Moscow concert hall in March. The 6 hostage takers, one of whom wore a headband with the flag used by the Islamic State that bears an Arabic inscription, knocked out window bars and climbed down several floors by rope before taking the guards hostage with a knife and fire axe. In video published by the 112 Telegram channel, one was shown brandishing a knife beside one of the bound guards in Rostov-on-Don. In negotiations with the authorities, they demanded free passage out of the prison. But Russian special forces decided to storm the prison. Intense automatic gunfire could be heard in footage published on Russian Telegram channels. Video published by the 112 Telegram channel showed the 6 dead men in pools of blood. The criminals were eliminated, Russia's Federal Penitentiary Service said in a statement, which said a special operation had taken place to free the hostages. The employees who were being held hostage were released. They are uninjured, the prison service said. Ambulances were seen entering the complex. Islamic State, a Sunni Muslim militant group, was defeated in Iraq and Syria by a combination of US-led forces, Kurdish fighters, and Russian, Iranian, Syrian soldiers. It splintered into different regional groups that have claimed a number of deadly attacks across the world. Islamic State Khorasan, named after an old term for the region that included parts of Iran, Turkmenistan, and Afghanistan, claimed responsibility for the March attack on the Crocus City Hall outside Moscow in which 145 people died. This footage is before the attack of the special forces.
Александр, есть что сказать?
Скажу пару слов. Свои эмоции, ощущения.
Люди настроены серьезно. Слышите их?
Мы поставили этим кафирам, куфарам условия по милости Аллаха, чтобы они нам дали машину, и мы ушли с ними. Посмотрим, что дальше будет. Просим Аллаха, чтобы мы не попали с ним в плен.
Footage from inside the Rostov prison, where several people attempted to escape and were later eliminated by police. Filmed by another convict, apparently.
Тюрьмы, ебать, да ну нахуй. Эти, блядь, исполняют людей. Побег, короче, братан. Сейчас приколю тебя, короче. Вон там сейчас увидишь дальше. В этом будет видно их. Они не пройдут охрану, не смогут. Вон туда, короче, уходят. Короче, это террористы, понял, они сбегают. Нам, походу, завтра пизда теперь. Когда тут будет ОМОН, когда тут будет все, маски, хуяски, мы, короче, будем без связи. Вот канат. Вот канат, короче. Вот, вот, вот. Ебать, ушел вниз, уебался. Это, короче, пиздец. Они, короче, туда уходят. Короче, пиздец их тут нахуй.
The 3 prisoners who took hostages in Rostov-on-Don were previously arrested at the end of 2023. This is footage of their detention. It took them just 6 months to prepare for the prison escape operation and to take hostages. Complete failure on behalf of Russian authorities to prevent such an incident. The illegal war is more important.
Ноги раздвинь. Есть.
Да, там один. Один остался? Нет, один вышел. Все, больше нет. Вы последний. Видно очень.
And let's see the battlefields. A Russian Orlan reconnaissance UAV hit by Ukrainian FPV in the Kherson region.
Зведеною групою вираховують ворожі орлани. А пілоти екіпажу «Степан» першого бату 35-ї бригади морської піхоти вирубають того небезпечного ворожого розвідника. Нана!
A new batch of Russian T-62s on their way to the front.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.